Hello children, welcome back to Class of Physics by Ashish Sharma sir, the simple and easy way to learn the concept of physics. The today's topic which we are dealing with is commercial resistors. Here you will find there are two types of resistors. One is wire bound resistors, another one is carbon resistors. Right? To save your time, I have written already what all these are. You can take snapshot also. Wire bound resistors are made by the winding the wires of an alloy like manganese, constantan or nichrome on an insulating base. So they are made up of manganese, constantan or nichrome. Their advantage is they are relatively insensitive to temperature. That means when we vary the temperature, their resistance will not appreciably change. Okay. The second one is carbon resistors, which we are using nowadays in electronic devices. They are made from mixture of carbon black, clay and resin binders, which are pressed and then molded, okay, into cylindrical rod. Their shape is cylindrical, okay, by heating. The rods are enclosed in a ceramic or plastic jacket so that they will not have any effect of environmental change in any environmental conditions. Advantages: they are very compact, they are cheap, and their range, or they can made from range of few ohms to several million ohms. Okay, these are carbon resistors. You can see, as we have written, they are in cylindrical shape. You will find I have made this shape like this. Here now you will find their values are not written on that कि how much resistance इसका है, इसका कितना ओम रेजिस्टेंस इस रजिस्टर का है, हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. उसमें कलर कोड बने होते हैं. मीन्स ऑन दिस सिलेंडर यू विल फाइंड देयर आर रिंग्स ओवर इट. ओके, कितने रिंग बने होंगे? First ring, second ring, third ring, and fourth you will find sometimes it is there or sometimes even it is not there. What is its meaning? By seeing the colors of these rings, we will be able to find out the resistance of these resistors. Okay, so first ring here it says it is first significant figures, means first value 1 2 3 4 0 whatever it is. Second ring says it is the second significant figures, and the third one is the multiplier. Multiplier you can say, or the number of zeros. Then the fourth band says tolerance. That means how much variation there can be in the value of resistance, how much percentage change in the resistance is possible in that value. Okay, now here see, हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि इसका रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? आई टोल्ड यू बाय सीइंग द कलर्स. अब कलर्स की वैल्यूज क्या है? ब्लैक, आई हैव मेड द टेबल ऑलरेडी. ब्लैक 0, brown 1, red 2, like this, and their multipliers. Multipliers is 10 to the power 0, or you can say if you write number of zeros, then here it will be 0, here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, you need to learn these values of different colors. Okay, now the fourth band, it tells the tolerance. When it tells the tolerance, its color, whether it is gold, if it is gold, then it will give you 5% plus minus 5%. If it is silver, plus minus 10%. If there is no bend, then it will be giving you plus minus 20%. Okay, now how will you learn this? Very good statement you will find. It says, one sentence is already formed. You can make it like B.B. Roy. I am writing the capital letters B.B.R.O.Y. B.B. Roy of Great Britain. G capital, B capital, has very good wife. Now here you write the letters. You can see B B R O Y. this G, this B, H I have written small, V, capital G, capital W. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. You can see B.B. R.O.Y. Roy has Great Britain has very good wife, right? The only thing is that which you have to remember is the order of different same symbols like B and B. So first that much you need to remember, that first one is black, second is brown, and the third one is blue. Okay. Similarly, one more you will find G. First one is green, second one is grey. Okay. This sentence you remember, and you will find that this table becomes easier for you. What about this gold, silver? You can add wearing gold, silver necklace. Gold 5%, silver 10%, necklace से N ले लीजिए, no bend 20%. Okay. So this is. Now I will tell you one example. Suppose I say that the register, carbon register, is having colors of the bends or rings. It can be rings or bends on it as follows. First is red color, second is blue color, third is grey, fourth is silver. What is R? कितनी वैल्यू आएगी R की? मतलब ये जो सिलेंड्रिकल रजिस्टर है, इसमें फर्स्ट बेंड का कलर जो बना होगा दैट इज रेड, सेकेंड वन इज ब्लू, थर्ड वन इज ग्रे. By seeing the color you need to find out the value of resistance. See here, now red, blue, grey, silver. This way we can write. Red, what is the value? 2. Okay. Blue, 6. Grey, this 8. That means 10 raised to the power 8. First one is significant figure, second one is significant figure, and third is multiplier, 10 raised to the power 8. Silver, what is the percentage? Plus minus 10%. Therefore, R equal to, this becomes 26 into multiplier 10 raised to the power 8 ohm plus minus 10%. This is your answer for this question. Okay. It is possible that there is no bend, then there you will be writing plus minus 20%. Here you find sometimes they will ask just one question like this also, or sometimes they will give you the diagram and there it will be written which color band it is. And the third one is it can be given like these are the bends for the resistors and potential difference applied across it is this much. Find the current. Using Ohm's law, we can find out current. V is equal to IR we have, so I is equal to V by R. We will be substituting V which is given to it and R which we have calculated, find out I. Okay, so this finishes with our today's topic, commercial resistors. I hope you liked it. Okay, thank you everyone.